Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. So in this video we will understand about the properties of ionic compounds as we have learned about how these ionic compounds are formed. So let's start with the first physical property, that is physical nature. How it looks. So all the ionic compounds are solid in the form or somewhat hard in nature. Okay, why? Because the ions here, the example is that Na plus is losing one electron and it is giving to the Cl minus. Yes, chlorine. So whenever they are sharing the electrons, they form a strong, they form strong force of attraction in between them because it is the plus and it is the negative. Plus minus attracts, right? So because of this positive negative opposite ions, okay, these compounds are generally brittle. Normally these are brittle, but they are very strong. Okay, normally they are brittle in nature, but they are very strong. They can break into pieces by if you apply a pressure, they can break into the pieces. But they are in the solid form or somewhat hard, and also they are brittle in the nature. But there is the force is that is a strong force of attraction in between because of this plus and minus charges. Now the second property is about melting point and boiling point. Melting point and boiling point. So as these ionic compounds have high melting and boiling points, so this is because yes, a considerable amount of energy is required, right? This such type of strong force is there. So we need a lot of energy to break the bond. So to break this strong inner ionic attraction, so we need a lot of energy. That's why they show high melting point and boiling point. So our next property is solubility. All ionic compounds are soluble in water. That's why they can show the ion formations, right? But they are insoluble in what? Kerosene and petrol. Okay, so now our next property, which is the last one, it is related to solubility only. That is conduction of electricity. Conduction of electricity. Okay, as they are showing the formation of ions, and we know for the moment, yes, for the moment, that is what is it? The conduction of electricity through a solution involves the movement of ions. Okay, as the compound can dissolve in water, here you can see as the compound can dissolve in water, it will automatically show you the formation of ions. But these positive and negative ions you cannot see in the solid form. You need to dissolve it in a solvent, and then you will get in that solution you will get a positive and negative ions which are move and conduct a current when you pass the electricity through that solution. Okay, these are the electrodes which are oppositely charged. First one is the positive, that is cathode, and second one will be the anode. So opposite charges means here, suppose this is a solution of, I'll show you here, this is plus and this is minus. Okay, so this is a solution of here Na plus and Cl minus. So oppositely charged, this one Na plus will be at combines to this electrode, and then Cl minus will be goes to this electrode. So in this way they charge the solution and they can conduct electricity through that solution. And the lastly, ionic compounds. Okay, ionic compounds can conduct electricity in the molten state also. Okay, in the molten state also, because they can show the ion formation. Okay, they can show the ion formation and that are overcome due to the heat when you melt it. So thus the ions move freely and show the conduction of electricity. So here this is a short video on properties of ionic compounds. Thanks for watching.